In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Squarespace website by editing, adding images, and incorporating text effectively. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to enhance your website's visual appeal and content. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to get to Squarespace. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Squarespace's official website. Don't worry if you're new to Squarespace, it's user-friendly and intuitive. Once you're on the home page, you'll see various options. Take a moment to explore these if you like, but our main focus today will be on editing an existing website. Next, look for the option labeled Website in the navigation bar. This is typically located at the top of the page. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu or subsequent page, select Edit. What this does is take you into the editing mode of your current Squarespace website. It's like stepping behind the scenes of your website to make all the tweaks you want. Now that you're in edit mode, you have the power to change and add various elements. Our first task is to add an image block. Simply click on Add Block. It's generally easy to find and often marked by a plus icon. Choose the option to upload an image. This will open up either your device's file explorer or an image library where you can select the picture you want to feature. Images can speak volumes, so it's a great idea to choose one that is eye-catching and relevant. After your image is in place, it's time to add a text block. To do this, click Add Block again, but this time choose Text from the list of elements. After selecting the text block, you'll find yourself staring at an empty space where you can type in whatever message or information you want to convey to your site visitors. However, for a more dynamic look, we'll integrate this text with your image. To combine them, simply drag the text block so it overlaps or aligns with the image perfectly. Squarespace makes this incredibly simple with its drag and drop functionality. This technique is fantastic for highlighting important information over a compelling backdrop, making your content visually engaging and easier to digest. And there you have it. With your image set up and your text properly layered, you're all done. Remember that the key to a successful website is not just about adding elements, but doing so in a manner that enhances user experience. So feel free to experiment with different images and text to find the right blend that suits your vision. Thank you for watching today. I hope this tutorial has empowered you to take more control over your website's appearance and functionality. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides. Happy editing!